Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can exit big picture mode on Steam. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So guys, first of all, open up your Steam on your PC and simply log in with your account. You can see that I'm currently in big screen mode on Steam. Simply press escape on your keyboard and open up the big screen mode menu. Inside this menu, select power and a new dialog box will open up on your screen. Select exit big picture mode option from the menu and you'll be able to exit it. If this mode always turn on whenever you open Steam, and then simply open up the Steam settings from the top left corner and select interface. Inside it, select and toggle the checkbox to blank to prevent it from happening again. And that's how you can exit big picture mode on Steam. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.